Sanibona bafethu uvane lo so igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates yebhethwe iPremiership bayodlala against iDurban City. They are playing an away game badlala le Moses Mabhida. Kuzobe kuyigame ebaluleke kakhulu for Orlando Pirates because they will need the 3 points against iDurban City. Okuyiteam ke le engamele siyithathe kancane, iyakwazi ukuthi ilipake ibhasi, iyakwazi ukuthi idlale ibhola, iyakwazi nokwakora amagoli. So nayi lineup mina engayishama sengithola ithuba. Ungangitshela wena ngeyakhe lineup kuma comments, ungayigxeke yami. Vele ungitshele nje yakho ukuthi ithini. Seniyalazi udaba. Epalini niyalazi udaba wafethu. Sipho Chain is my go-to goalkeeper for imatch esoyidlala against iDurban City wafethu. Into engiyithanda ngokuthi Orlando Pirates ayikho kwi-Champions League is because we have all our best players. All our best players are at display. Yabo. We have one common goal right now is to win the league. Bonke abadlali esinabo abantswempu boswinela league. Number 1 goalkeeper wethu Sipho Chain uyena goalkeeper ngomkhetha against iDurban City. Mase ukuthi center back pairing esoyidlalisa against iDurban City. Khumbulani ke bafethu, umdlali oyi center back woLorlando Pirates okubani okusiyema. Siyema currently une yellow card. Usalele yellow card eyi1 ukuthi abe suspended for igame esoyidlala le kwi-final against iMarumo Gallants. So I wouldn't want to risk uSiyema to play against iDurban City because iDurban City iyakwazi ukuthi ifake ipressure kuma defenders. So mase thola yellow card against iDurban City ngenzeka umjidi ukuthi aforce ukuthi angakwazi ukuthi abe khona kwigame iMarumo Gallants. So we need to play another player. Currently Umbokazi is not available. Ngingazi noma uzoba khona noma ngeke abe yini khona, but ke currently umjidi I don't think uzoba khona, so I would put Unda. Unda has been training with the team. Sambona last game at the sebenchini. So I would put Unda against the Durban City ngimqalise with Usbisi. You can tell me in the comments which defenders would you prefer. But yeah, for me, I think I would put Unda with Usbisi kule game esoyidlala against the Durban City bafethu. Iyona center back pairing le ngayisebenzisa. Mase ukuthi kuma wing backs ka right ngaqalisa abaningi, ngaqalisa uLebitso. Ngaqalisa uLebitso bafethu. Umjida we hard worker. I like i-work ethic yakhe uLebitso. Yazi mekunqonywa abadlali koLorlando Pirates asivamisile usimncomo uLebitso kanaye bafethu uyaphusha kule position. Le position bafethu ayigqamile ngaleyo ndlela because wenza umsebenzi wakhe. Yabo mancane amathuba wabonayo eqhamuka ngala. Yabo so ngala ka left ngithi umphumuza kancane uDion Hoto. I know umjida uthole man of the match last game, but I think umjida Undaba kumele introduce more. We must introduce Undaba more to get more game time Undaba. But kone ezojwayela na cause mase kulimale uDion Hoto. Long term injury uDion Hoto izosikhathaza kakhulu, izosibulala kakhulu. Kumele introduce lo mdlali lo okuNdaba okuyi future iOrlando Pirates kule position le. So far iyona back four le engizophusha ngayo. Yabo iyona back four le okunda okusibisi ubani uLebitso mase kububani Undaba. Yabo mase ukuthi ke lapha eswini ozobe anchor nje lapha ozodlala deep, ngizodlalisa bani, ngizodlalisa uMbatha. Ukhona uMakhihlane Makhawula simbonile wathola ama minutes against ile club lathi idlala nayo bafethu. Ungijabulise nje kakhulu kumbona edlala against Chipa United. Yabo but ke kule game le ngingamqalisa bafethu mina uTalente Mbatha. Yabo ngamqalisa uTalente Mbatha kule position mase ukuthi abadlali abazodlala phambi kwakhe ngaqalisa bani na, ngaqalisa bani uTito Maswanganye benobani benalo mjida lo Sipho Mbule. Yabo I know isisami, it seems like isiyaleka lapho nalapho, but ngamqalisa uTito Maswanganye beno Sipho Mbule. The reason why ngibaqalisa, if you can look uSipho Mbule beno Tito Maswanganye, yabo one can say they both play a similar style of football. And when you look at a game plan yabani ya Kevin Hunt. Okay, Kevin Hunt is that type of coach who likes to sit deep. Who likes to sit deep at the back. So you need players who know how to move a ball in those tight spaces. You have a player like Sipho Mbule and you have a player like Tito Maswanganye who are very, very good at doing izinto kanjalo. And playing a number 10 like Tito Maswanganye who know how to score goals is a very, very good thing for Orlando Pirates. So angasiza kakhulu umjidi ukuthi askorela amagoli lapha Tito Maswanganye phezulu uyakwazi ukuthi ashaya amagoli. Yabo mase ukuthi kuma wingers ngiyalazi udaba but ke there's something about lo mfana lo Umfukengi for me udlala ngcono second half. Yabona lento kumenziwe kakhulu medlala yazi left winger uyaba ngizothini uba naleyo nto leyo. It's like asayijwayele leya position. Yabona uma i-team ingadlali kahle first half sizomkhipha ubani uTito Maswanganye simfake esiswini ubani uMfokeng adlale as number 10 yabo si-introduce bani si-introduce lo mfana lo uMoremi as i-left winger lapho kuzoyibona ke Orlando Pirates isik-attacker more yabo uzoyibona Orlando Pirates isik-attacker more so far iyona lineup yami le ka-right ngafaka Osuna Police. I don't see the reason of putting Osuna Police ebenchini. Angisiboni ngempela isidingo mfethu umchita kumele angene more, kumele akore more goals. The more he score, the more it gets better for him, the more eba a PSL player of the season. For me already to say a PSL player of the season, but the more we introduce him, the more enza izinto right for Orlando Pirates. So far this is my lineup: 4 at the back, 3 eswini, mase kuthi 3 phambili. Striker ke lesingosiqalisa I think we should introduce more of Evanes Makgopa. Evanes Makgopa kumele aqala ama games amaningi. Yes, ukhona lo mfana lo uMbuthuma uyakwazi ukudlala impela uMbuthuma, but when you look at a player like Evanes Makgopa, he brings you that thing. Yabo uba creative modlala nomdlalo njengoMakgopa phambili. So just udlala neteam ehlala emuva, we don't need a striker esinjengoMbuthuma esohlala with the defense lapha emuva. We need a striker esinjengoMakgopa esokwazi ukuthi sihluphe i-defense. Mase sihlupha ke lapha i-defense siyokwazi ukuthi sibuye nebhola, create ama chances, ushawe ibhola neteam. Yabo awusidingi striker esohlala lapha phambili esolinda ibhola. No, i-Durban City iyohlala at the back. Many teams are doing that. If you saw Chipo United, they played like that against Orlando Pirates. Yabo siyesakwazi ukuthi siklikhe kahle sekuphume bani uMbuthuma because uMakgopa yabo ubeloko ehlupha i-defense ogcina selitholile igoli. Yabo kumele siwabheka ama-team esiyodlala nawo. Mesiyodlala nama-team akwazi ukuthi attack, we need a player like bani, we need a player like uMbuthuma. But when we are playing against ama-team ahlala kakhulu emuva, we need a player like Evanes Makgopa who will press those defenders, make them make mistakes. Once they make mistakes, you make ama-goal. Yabo iyona ke lineup mina engayikhetha mase ngithola ithuba. You can tell me in the comments ithini yakhe lineup. Yabo ungayigxeki ke yami. Yabo 4 at the back ubani uSibisi, uNda, uLebitso, olomchita lo Ndaba, mase ukuthi number 6 wami kuba ubani, Talent Mbatha, number 10 ukuthi number 10 kuba ubani, kuba uTito, number 8 kuba ubani, kuba uSipho Mbule, right winger Osuna Police, left winger Mfokeng, mase kuse striker kuba ubani, kuba Evanes Makgopa. Yabo iyona ke lineup le bafethu. For me I think siyabuya la no 3 points. I think ayekho into ozivimba la ukuthi sithathe u3 points. Yini engazivimba ukuthi sithathe u3 points? Ukuthi sithathe league ke yona yini engazivimba la? Yabo ngabe nje abafana ngempela abafuna ukuyiwina igame, but ke I know ukuthi coach kuzokwenzeka amfaka uNemtajela. I'm not against uNemtajela, but I know for sure ukuthi coach uzomfaka uNemtajela. Yabo kwesinye isikhathi kumele sibheke opponent iyohlala at the back. Ngibe iyohlala at the back, we need players who will move the ball, who will score goals.